How to do SFS on Snapchat. In order to do SFS, or also known as shout out for shout out on Snapchat, which you might want to mutually promote another user's profile or content on your story to gain followers. So for that, first open up Snapchat and take a snap of your choice, whichever you want to use to be able to shout out. Now just use the text tool to add the people that you want to be able to do SFS of this. So just type in @ and just tag a couple of people that you might want to enable this SFS for. Now after you've done that, you can minimize these names if you don't want it to be visible, or you can make it invisible. Now you can add whatever captions it is that you want to provide. Now you can simply post this on your story. So you can tap the send to button and send it to your story. Now whoever is being tagged, they will be able to reshare this story to their own story, like shout out for shout out, because they've been mentioned in it. And this way you can do the SFS on Snapchat. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.